In the Mimesis project, when we want to explain something rather complicated to children, we use the step-by-step approach. This method is based on what you can find on video games tutorial or in the internet. And on this video, we will try to explain you how it works.
Usually for games, you start with a tutorial. In the tutorial, you learn the rules, but to make it less boring, uh, we always teach you something new. And it's just after that a question of rhythm. At first, you want your player to get inside the universe and the mechanic quite quickly. So it's small steps. But when you have to fight a boss, it is a larger gap. So you just need to learn more on yourself, and then you go through the gap.
For the pedagogical sequence World on Fire, we asked Danielo Amaya to present its work to the children. Danielo is a juggler and an actor, but is also a former engineer, and he explains better than anyone how acting, gamification, and the practice of sciences can be linked.
Très haut, c'est très très même avant. Et en bas, ça va être l'inverse. Et puis ton bras à droite, ton bras à gauche pour gérer la position.
He came over with his juggler bot and he explained to the children step by step with a tutorial how he created it and how to make it move.
And I like to see juggling as a game. For me, it's a game. It's a game where we play with patterns and we play with shapes, and we are always trying to make one step forward and go one step farther of everything that we feel is possible.